Okay, welcome to my channel. It's June the 13th, and that's me. Click the button below and subscribe. It's a beautiful Saturday. The time is about 4:20, 4:15, 4:20. Hopefully you're doing well and you're staying safe. It's a beautiful day to be outside. I don't know what time you're watching this, but hopefully you're doing well and you're staying safe and taking care of yourself and those you care about. So welcome to my channel. Don't forget to smash that button, subscribe, and today I'm going to look for a bike, and there are a couple places I'm going to go to, including a pawn shop. So hopefully I'll get something. All right, during my journey, most likely I'll just do the driving video. For inside the store, I may not take a video. So welcome. So the first thing, I'm gonna go to pawn shop and I'll see if they have a bike. Then I'll go to Walmart. Somebody suggested that, so that's what I'm gonna do. Pawn shop is only a few minutes drive from my house. So this is Rice Street here. Actually, I don't like the idea of buying a bicycle at the pawn shop because that would be used e-bike, but it doesn't hurt. I'm gonna go look. It doesn't mean that I want to buy a bike from a pawn shop. So I'm gonna go check it out if they have anything at the Pawn America. If they do, they do. If they don't, they don't. Pawn shop is on the next couple blocks down here. Okay, pawn shop is to my left over here. So I'll go see if they have a bike. I'll pause and then I'll do a video when I'm driving again. I'm thinking I'll go to Walmart in Van Nuys Heights. It's about 10 minutes drive or so. So there's Pawn America right here. Okay, I went to the pawn shop, Pawn America, and they have used bikes, and they look pretty bad. Even though they look bad, one is like $100, another one is $300-400. So I'm gonna go to Walmart, see if I can find something. I really want to buy a bike. Little man is getting too big, so when we go for a walk and he has a bike, he leaves me way back. So it doesn't make sense not buying a bicycle. So I'm gonna do that today. Hopefully at Walmart they have them, because we checked last week, they didn't have any. So I'm driving north on Rice Street. I don't know if you care which direction I'm going. Probably you don't. But I like just saying which way I'm going. But mostly my subscribers don't care which direction I'm going. Well, doesn't hurt. So I'm gonna go east on 36 here. Then I'm gonna go to 35 north. Walmart in the next probably 5 minutes. Should be coming up in a minute. Okay, I'm here at Walmart. I was in a long drive, just about 7 minutes. So I'm gonna go in, see if they have a bike, and then if they do have one that I like, I'm gonna buy it. So thank you again for watching, joining me driving to Walmart. And if you like the video, click on the like, and if you want to support the channel, please click the subscribe button. Thank you. Peace out.